Least common multiple, that's what we're going to learn today. How to find the least common multiple of two numbers. You could do three as well. So let's get started. With least common multiple, we're going to list all the multiples of 3 and all the multiples of 4, and then find the one that's in common. The smallest one that's in common, in fact. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. Let's see if we can get a match out of those. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Now look carefully. Do you see a match? That's right, 12. So we see a match right here. So the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12. Let's do another one. Let's do 4 and 8. This is a special circumstance I want to show you. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. And now 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. Let's see a match. That's right, it's actually one of the numbers. So the least common multiple can be one of the numbers that you started with. Okay, now let's look at 9 and 12. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, let's look at 12 now. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 4 is 48. Do you see a match? That's right, 36. And this is the list method for the least common multiple, the LCM. LCM, least common multiple. And I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Jason Jacobs. Please like and subscribe. And I hope I can help you with your math this year. Bye, guys.